Here's the latest news you need before it hits the headlines. Dell says it struck a deal with billionaire activist investor Carl Icahn, limiting his investment in the company. Per the agreement, Icahn will not be able to own more than 10% of Dell's shares. He will be able to engage with other Dell shareholders, although he will be prevented from signing agreements with other shareholders that would result in a collective ownership of more than 15% of shares. Icahn opposes a $24.4 billion proposal by founder Michael Dell and private equity firm Silver Lake Partners to take the company private. In other news, Goldman Sachs reported quarterly earnings that beat expectations on higher revenue in its investment banking division. The bank reported a first quarter profit that rose to $2.26 billion or $4.29 per share. Analysts had expected earnings of $3.88 per share. Chief Executive Lloyd Blankfein called the results generally solid, but the company warned that revenue could slow in the current quarter due to a lower transaction backlog. Finally, the Census Bureau reported that housing starts jumped in March at a seasonally adjusted rate of nearly 1.04 million. That's the biggest rise since June 2008. The climb was driven by growth in apartment construction and continued strength in the housing market. However, building permits, which measure future construction, dropped 3.9% from February to a 902,000 annual rate. In New York, I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.